Hey guys, welcome back to Klink. My name's Harry and I'm going to be teaching you today how to make a Moscow Mule. I'm going to go straight into it. First things first, we've got our glass and what we need to do is crush some ice. Over here I've got an ice crusher. Now if you don't have one of these at home, that's absolutely fine. What you can do is if you just wrap some ice up in a tea towel and give it a whack with like a rolling pin or a meat tenderizer, just be careful with your work surface. And that should do just as good of a job. Should be all enough for me. So, give this a crush. This is our crushed ice. Marble chunks. We'll just put that. Oh, that's going in front of the camera. We'll put that there. So, we're going to fill our glass almost to the top, not quite, just about 3/4, and we'll just pop that to the side. Now, our first ingredient is lime juice. We've got some freshly squeezed lime juice over here. Just pour that in. Lovely. Then we're going to add 60 ml of our Absolut vodka. Absolut vodka is a grain-based vodka, very delicious, very smooth. But like I said, 60 ml, so it's pretty strong, this drink. There we go. And finally, I'm just going to add some ginger beer. Just doing like that. Now, probably top some more off ice. Don't think there's any more room for ginger beer. A little bit more, just for me. Oh, that's right to the top. And I've got some lime prepped. I cut up just for this. Somewhere. Wait a minute, that's it. There it is. I've got a wedge over here left over. So I'll just cut these up. So. And we'll just pop them in like that. So, a couple of straws. And there we have it, the Moscow Mule. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's strong. It's like spicy from the ginger beer. Even though there wasn't a lot, it's still there, because obviously there's a lot of ice. And very limey. Yeah, 30 ml of lime, so it's very limey. This drink's been going for a long time. It goes back to I think the 1940s, if I remember rightly. And it was invented in the US, given the name Moscow Mule for the vodka. And yeah, strong, spicy, sweet. Very delicious, very delicious. Better not drink all that. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed watching that and I hope you give this a go, making this drink. If you do, tag us in social media. We have an Instagram account, Facebook account. All the links will be added below. And subscribe and like this video. Cheers guys.